Get out of the house, Paul. Get out of the house.
What about Ray? No, Dad, stop.
Pack up all your shit and get out!
That's the 7th time this day. I need Ray to buy me more pills. I don't think I have enough.
Welcome home. Welcome home. Welcome home. Welcome home. I know that you're here to steal my daddy's credit card, but know that he is mad and bad and really, really hard. So come on in and make me spin to rock me to this bop. Grab the gin and show some skin until these melons pop. Welcome home. Welcome. Home, home, home. Welcome. Home. Welcome. Home, home, home.
Yeah, sorry, it's been a while.
Get to the point.
I'm coughing up pink gunk again, so now I need your money.
3 years ago, you left me alone with Mum and Dad. 2 years ago, you didn't show up to their funeral, and 1 year ago was the last time we spoke. You still haven't paid me back.
You just need to give me more time.
You need to give me more time. What you need to do is get out.
Whenever Dad drinks this, he gets angry. Grab that one up there while I get a bag. Stop. What about Ray?
Pack up all your shit and get out!
Get out.
No, look, Ray, you just need some help.
Oh, just get out. You think you know everything, but you...
Just breathe, okay? Okay?
Okay. Happy? So just get out.
Just listen to me, Ray. Please, just listen to me.
Listen to me.
You're sick. I'm sick. We're sick.
Now it's clear.
Okay, just let me help you.
No, this can't be happening again. Please, don't let this happen again. Don't let this be happening again, please. No. This is when you wanted to get rid of Dad's juice, and then I tried to get one on the shelf, and then.
Please, wait, listen. We're gonna be okay. We've got this. I'm not gonna leave you again.
What's going on? Oi! Open this door!
Ray, hurry!
I'm trying!
Open up! Open up! Open up! Open up! Open up! Open up!
Yeah.
There's money in the fridge.
Yep.
Let's do this again. Please.
The film. It's the end of the film. End of the film. It's the end of the film. End of the film.
I don't want
But it's the end of the film. It's the end of the film.
Wait, already?
End of the film. It's the end.
No, that's copyright.
End of film. It's the end
Please,
of film.
one more year,
It's
please.
the end of film. End of film.